Hey, natural remedy fans! Today I'm diving into the incredible world of essential oils. Let's uncover the amazing benefits of 50 must-have oils. First up, we have lavender oil. This one's a favorite for its calming and relaxing properties, perfect for winding down after a hectic day. Next is peppermint oil. Need a pick-me-up? This invigorating oil is great for boosting energy and alleviating headaches. Tea tree oil comes in at number 3. Known for its powerful antiseptic properties, it's a go-to for treating acne and skin infections. Eucalyptus oil is another essential. It's fantastic for respiratory issues and can help clear a stuffy nose in no time. Let's not forget about lemon oil. This zesty oil is excellent for detoxifying and uplifting your spirits. Frankincense oil is often called the king of oils. It's revered for its ability to reduce inflammation and promote cellular health. Moving on to rosemary oil. This one's fantastic for improving memory and concentration, great for those study sessions. Sweet orange oil brings a burst of citrusy joy. It's perfect for reducing stress and boosting your mood. Chamomile oil is your go-to for relaxation. It's wonderful for promoting sleep and reducing anxiety. Ylang ylang oil has a sweet floral scent. It's known to balance hormones and improve skin health. Grapefruit oil is a refreshing addition. It's great for curbing appetite and aiding weight loss. Cedarwood oil offers a woody, grounding aroma. It's excellent for promoting hair growth and soothing the mind. Bergamot oil brings a citrusy, spicy scent. It's fantastic for alleviating stress and treating skin conditions. Sandalwood oil, with its rich, woody scent, is perfect for meditation and calming the mind. Clary sage oil is a must for women. It helps balance hormones and ease menstrual cramps. Lemongrass oil offers a fresh, lemony scent. It's great for relieving muscle pain and repelling insects. Ginger oil is warming and spicy. It's excellent for boosting digestion and relieving nausea. Patchouli oil has a rich, earthy scent. It's great for skincare and reducing anxiety. Cinnamon oil is warm and spicy. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Jasmine oil is beautifully floral. It's revered for its uplifting and aphrodisiac qualities. Vetiver oil has a deep, earthy aroma. It's perfect for grounding and calming the nerves. Myrrh oil is ancient and powerful. It's excellent for skin health and boosting immunity. Juniper berry oil is fresh and woody. It's great for detoxifying and relieving stress. Oregano oil is a powerhouse. It's known for its potent antiviral and antibacterial properties. Cypress oil is fresh and clean. It's perfect for improving circulation and reducing cellulite. Marjoram oil brings a warm, herbal scent. It's excellent for relieving muscle pain and promoting relaxation. Helichrysum oil is a healer. It's fantastic for reducing scars and promoting skin regeneration. Rose oil is the epitome of luxury. It's wonderful for skincare and uplifting your mood. Black pepper oil is spicy and warm. It's great for improving circulation and relieving muscle pain. Spearmint oil is minty and sweet. It's perfect for boosting energy and improving digestion. Palmarosa oil has a sweet floral scent. It's excellent for skin hydration and promoting cellular health. Basil oil is herbaceous and fresh. It's great for enhancing focus and relieving headaches. Cardamom oil is spicy and warm. It's known for its digestive and respiratory benefits. Fennel oil is sweet and earthy. It's fantastic for balancing hormones and aiding digestion. Rosemary verbenoni oil is unique. It's excellent for skincare and respiratory health. Thyme oil is powerful and herbal. It's known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Wintergreen oil is minty and sweet. It's great for relieving pain and inflammation. Neroli oil is floral and sweet. It's perfect for reducing stress and anxiety. Tangerine oil is citrusy and fresh. It's excellent for uplifting the mood and easing digestion. Melissa oil is known as lemon balm. It's fantastic for calming the mind and promoting sleep. Bitter orange oil is zesty and fresh. It's great for boosting mood and aiding digestion. Anise oil is sweet and spicy. It's known for its digestive and respiratory benefits. Cilantro oil is herbaceous and fresh. It's fantastic for detoxifying and aiding digestion. Bay laurel oil is spicy and fresh. It's great for respiratory health and boosting immunity. Carrot seed oil is earthy and sweet. It's wonderful for skin care and promoting cellular health. Blue tansy oil is floral and sweet. It's perfect for skincare and reducing inflammation. Jojoba oil is woody and sweet. It's excellent for relieving pain and inflammation. Finally, we have geranium oil. It's floral and sweet, and perfect for balancing hormones and improving skin health. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural remedy tips. Thanks for watching.